Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a few new products from Wet n Wild and I wanted to share first impression kind of video with you guys. So if you are interested, so please get on watching with the video. Alright guys, if you don't know me, I am Atri. I make videos related to beauty, makeup, fashion sometimes and loads of hauls. So if you are someone who likes to see some such kind of videos, you can click on the subscribe button and of course like this video. Now let's get started. So guys, I have seen online that Wet n Wild have come across with few new products, so I thought of getting them for me. I have a few products from Wet n Wild here in my makeup bag. Yes, this is by Mother Sparsh whatever. So I have a few products and I have also included a few products which were older and I have been using their products. If you don't remember, I also made a first impression kind of video when Wet n Wild first launched in India. That was the time I was really new to YouTube and I think it was 3 years back. I will be leaving the link of that video in the description box. If you want to see review of any other makeup item, you can go and watch that video. Okay, so let me just tell you, I have only 3 products which they launched recently. I thought I should buy these products and yeah, like those were the 3 products that made sense to me. Otherwise all the products, they have other products also, but I wasn't very inclined towards buying that. So let me show you so that you guys get to know what all products I will be talking about in this particular video. So I have their Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. Now this is also one of the newest launches, so I wanted to try this one as the Wet n Wild foundation is my favorite. Liquid foundation is my favorite. Also they have this mega last stained glass. Yes, this is a lip gloss by their range. So this was a new product. And the most exciting thing which I was so like super duper excited about was this one. This is the Wet n Wild Hello blush lighter. Yeah, it is like blush highlighter. I saw this thing on Shweta's Instagram. So I don't know her handle, I will be leaving down. So she was applying this particular, I don't know the variant. Was this the variant? I don't remember quite. But I saw this thing on her channel first and I thought I should grab this one also, so I got this one. And I also have a few products from their earlier launch. So now with this super duper big introduction, let's get started with the video. Of course, sorry for such long introduction. Okay, so guys, the very first thing is this one. This is the Wet n Wild Dewy primer. So I wanted to apply this one, but I don't like this product, so I think I will be skipping this. I'm not sure. Let's try this once more. This is like one of the cult favorites of the beauty bloggers. I'll just take a little bit because I don't like this product a lot, so that is why I'll be taking only a little and concentrating over here on the high points, because I really don't like the feel of this thing over my face. So this is the Dewy primer and people used to use this like in nobody's business. Okay guys, if you think that I am a little high on energy today, that's because class 12th results are out. And yeah, if you don't know, I am a teacher by profession. I teach mass media to class 11th and 12th, and I also teach English to middle school. So I'm really excited about their result. I don't know the result yet because there is some server problem, but I'm super duper excited and nervous also. Anyways, so this is the next one. This is their Photo Focus Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Toffee and this is how the packaging is. So when I received this packaging, let me tell you, I placed my order on HOK Makeup. So when I received this packaging, there was no seal on this one. So that was a little bummer, but it was unused because this thing was intact. So let me just show you how the whole thing looks like. This is, I think, a little too dark for my skin tone. If you can see, it is a little bit dark for my skin tone, but it's okay. We can manage using a darker foundation rather than a light foundation. I just hope that this is not too creamy. Yeah, you can see it is a little darker for my skin tone, but it is quite smooth. Okay, like quite smooth to apply. So I applied a bit and it is very creamy. Let's blend it and see. I can see very little coverage, if you can tell what I mean, and this is a hydrating foundation. I feel this is a little glowy. If you can see my face, of course I applied the primer, but I feel that this is a little glowy, and I don't have the concealer of this particular brand. I used to love the concealer, but I never repurchased it, so I'm going to use this one only. I think it's a pretty good shade match. I just hope that it doesn't oxidize. Wow, I quite like the coverage of this particular foundation. This is not high coverage. This is something which will give you low to medium coverage. But if you can see, I have blurred out, it has blurred out any kind of imperfection I had, and I'm really happy with the shade match also. It is not very dark, and although I got my shade from foundation.com, but first time when I was opening it, I felt that this can be a little too dark for my liking, but thank God it matched me perfectly. I feel is this video can be a little bit longer, so please bear with me. So regarding this particular foundation, I feel it is very lightweight. This is not at all sticky. Yeah, it is not sticking. If you can see here, it is not at all sticky. Like being a stick foundation, it is not sticky. Its coverage is low to medium. Do not expect high coverage from this one. This is like everyday use wala foundation stick. And if you are a dry skin person, I don't know if this will suit you or not, because it is creamy, no doubt, but if you have extremely dry skin, I don't think so this is going to be suitable for you. Or if you have extremely oily skin, I think you should give this product a pass. But if you're like me, who have pretty oily skin and you sweat a lot, I think you can give this product a try, because it feels really lightweight. So this I really liked. I was thinking that it will not be suitable for me, but it is quite nice actually. Now I'm going to set on my face using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow powder. This is my love. This is my second purchase. The first one I used it like thoroughly for 2 years because it is so huge. Yeah, and I'm going to set my face with this particular powder. Now this powder is really good. Really good. This is one of the best products of Wet n Wild. If you are thinking to get a powder and a contouring palette, you must give this thing a try. So with this I'm going to contour also, slightly bronze my face, not contouring wala contour, but just bronzing. Please don't mind if I am a little here and there today, because I am really nervous. I think I applied a little too much on my cheeks, but it's okay. You can always apply a little bit of powder and clean it up. Now you see this powder, this just soaked up all the extra excess oil and it made my face really good. Now my face is not even feeling oily. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. You can see this is so old and this is super duper dirty. And I like this product, but I am not very, like it's not something which I am like love with, like I am in love with. No, this is fine. This is pretty much it. It is really good, I feel. But I stopped using this one because if you don't know, the Europe Girl one is my favorite. Anyways, too much of talking these days. So yeah, after doing this, I'm just going to do my eyes quickly using these one of these palettes. I'm not going to shoot it because then this video will be too long. So yeah, I'll be using one of these palettes. These are the Wet n Wild yes, color icon palette. One is rose in the air, and the next one is a nude awakening. Really nice palettes, like under 500. If your budget is under 500, you should get these. Alright guys, so my eyes are done, and now we are going to move ahead, and we're going to try this particular product. This is their Halo blush lighter in the shade Flash Me. And yeah, I have to open this. I don't know how. Right, so it's open now. So I don't like the packaging because this is a little bit distorted. I don't know, it's feel that it is not new. So anyways, this is how the packaging looks like. So if you see, there is this light pink color which is a kind of blush, and this is the highlighter. Wow, I really like both of them. Yes, they are really reflective, and these are not chunky, but if you ask me, this has a little bit of shift to it. I don't know if the camera is catching, but this has kind of shift to it. If you see, it has pink glitters, purple glitters, a little bit. Like, it's not very chunky though, but it looks really nice. So excited to try. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to take this particular shade, and I'll take this on a fluffy brush, and then I'm going to apply on my cheeks. The color is not very visible, I think. It is more of a highlighter color. Okay, and now let's use this highlighter. Wow. It gives within sort of glow. If you see, it's not very chunky. It feels so cute if you see. Wow. But just keep this in mind that it does have a little bit of pink reflex to it. So if you don't like that, you might not like this particular product because it does have a little bit of a pink shift to it. So there are many other colors, you can go for those colors, but if you ask me, I really like this palette. And yeah, it is different from Wet n Wild Precious Petals because that one is like rose gold sort of color, but it does have pink reflex to it, but it looks really pretty. If you are of my skin tone, this is going to suit you a lot. If you can see my cheeks, they're flushing. really happy. Now the last product is this one. This is their lip gloss. Although I'm a huge fan of their liquid lipstick, they do some very nice liquid lipstick. So if you ask me, my shade packaging is Handle with Care. This shade name is Handle with Care. This is written on here. It is not written on this particular packaging. So yeah, just keep that thing in mind. So if you ask me, it has a pretty normal applicator. It's not doe foot applicator. It's a pretty standard applicator. Does not have any like peculiar bend to it. Just simple straight type of. Wow, it feels so cold. really like the color, guys. Just see, this color is complementing my skin tone. So this is in glass finish, like gloss finish, whatever you can call it, and it is very pigmented. If you see, it is really pigmented, and it is not sticky. If you can see, it is not sticking to my lips, and yeah, this is a really good thing that it is not sticking, otherwise it would have been really difficult. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I really love all of these three products. The product which I love the most is this one. This is their blush lighter. I really liked it. Even the liquid gloss is really good. Foundation is good too, but if you ask me, the matte foundation of this particular range is even better. So if you want to, if you want to try that, you can do that. But yeah, if you're someone who likes lightweight foundation, this is for you. You can obviously give this one a try. Now I'm really happy with all of these products. Wet n Wild is so close to my heart. I really feel connected with the brand. And yeah, that is about it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you have made till here, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That will mean the whole world to me. Also subscribe if you liked it. Let me know if you guys want to see any other brand launches. I will be more than happy to do. So yeah, that is about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye. Okay guys, so this is after 2 hours of my makeup. You can see looks really good. Only thing I feel that my foundation, it has oxidized. Only that's what. Otherwise my face looks really good. It's not at all sweaty. So yes, double thumbs up for all the products, new products which Wet n Wild has launched. Really happy with the launch.